All right, picture this. It's 3 a.m. Your essay's due in 6 hours, and you realize you've written the same sentence 5 different ways and they all sound terrible. Panic mode. But hold up, before you start crying into your keyboard, let me show you how MyEssayWriter.ai's paraphrasing tool can save your sleep and your grade. This tool is like your personal writing sidekick. It takes your messy, repetitive sentences and turns them into polished, original content. With 8 rephrasing modes, you can sound like a scholar, keep it casual, or even get creative. And all it takes is a couple of clicks. Plagiarism? Gone. Bad writing? Fixed. Stress? Bye-bye. All you gotta do is paste your text into MyEssayWriter.ai. Pick a rephrasing mode like smooth for flow, or professional for that smart vibe, and hit paraphrase. That's it. Your essay just leveled up without you even leaving your bed. No sign up, no credit card, just pure free magic. Plus, it works in 26 languages, so if you're feeling fancy, you can even impress your French professor. And don't worry, it's super secure. Your essay stays yours. So, stop fighting with your sentences and start writing like a pro. Head to MyEssayWriter.ai, try the paraphrasing tool, and turn your writing disaster into a masterpiece. Oh, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, because trust me, your future self will thank you. Happy writing!